Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I'm taking a look at the AI prop firms EA, and I can confirm right from the start that it is available for both MT4 and MT5 platforms. Now, this one is priced at 1,199 US dollars, developed by MQL Tools SL, and it is currently on version 5.0 with a recent update in March 2026. Now, when I open the MQL5 page, the positioning of this EA is very clear. It's not just a general trading robot, it's specifically built for prop firm trading environments, and that already changes how I look at it. So instead of focusing on maximizing aggressive returns, the entire concept here is built around passing prop firm challenges and maintaining account consistency under strict rules like drawdown limits, leverage restrictions, and risk control policies. All right. So it supports major pairs like the USD CAD, GBP USD, USD JPY, and NZD USD. And it is optimized mainly for the M1 and M5 time frames, which tells me it is designed for more active intraday execution, but still under controlled risk conditions. Now, this is where the system becomes interesting. We can see that the EA is heavily focused on AI driven decision making, right? And that is also under strict risk frameworks. But what that actually means in practice is that it doesn't just look for entries, it first evaluates whether market conditions are even safe enough to trade. That's important because in prop firm environments, surviving drawdown rules is often more important than chasing profit. One of the core components here is the daily drawdown guard. So instead of letting losses accumulate freely, the system actively monitors equity behavior and can reduce exposure or even pause trading when risk thresholds are approaching. That alone shows this is built for survival based trading logic. Another key part is adaptive risk switching. So instead of using one fixed lot size or risk level, the EA can move between conservative and more active modes depending on market conditions. So, in theory, this helps it stay active in good conditions and protective during unstable ones. I also like the inclusion of economic news filtering, which prevents trading around high impact events. That's actually very relevant for prop firms because sudden volatility spikes are one of the most common reasons accounts fail. However, one thing to keep in mind is that this type of system is highly structured and rule based under the hood. Even though it's labeled AI, it's still operating within predefined risk and execution frameworks. So overall, what I'm seeing here is risk first automation, prop firm compliance focus, controlled execution rather than aggressive trading, and heavy emphasis on capital protection, right? So let's just quickly see how this behaves in real market conditions. I already downloaded the free demo and it has been added to my MT5 platform. So we're just going to be testing the AI prop firms EA on the recommended pair or on one of the recommended pairs and on one of the recommended time frames. All right. So here we are on the strategy tester. We select AI prop firms. We are using USD CAD, which is one of the recommended pairs, M5, one of the recommended time frames, and we are running the test from the start of the year up to recent data. All right, just to get a proper view across different market phases, including trending, ranging, and volatile conditions. Okay, so now let's just observe how the EA actually behaves in market environment. Okay, so now we can see that the first trade has been opened. Now, if we look closely at this entry, it's not random at all. The EA is clearly waiting for a structured short-term momentum shift, likely aligned with a micro trend or liquidity expansion on the M5 chart. What stands out is that it doesn't rush entries. There's a clear delay until conditions align. All right, let me just run this a bit. Now we can see that more positions are being executed. All right, under similar conditions. If I had to interpret this behavior, here we have a sell trade, right? And we can see a defined stop loss. Okay, so we can see that it looks like a controlled scaling approach, right? But not a grid system. It's more like reinforcing of an existing directional bias. Okay, we had a sell here. Seems like it hit stop loss at this point, and this was a buy, this was a sell, right? This was a sell, this was likely an exit of the buy trade, right? And then we can also see here another sell, so it's buy, so sell. This is another sell. The stop loss has been defined, and let's just continue running the test. We can see a couple more trades are being executed. During sideways conditions, trade frequency drops significantly, and honestly, that makes sense. A prop firm focused EA like this is not trying to force trades, it is designed to protect capital when conditions are unclear. So instead of over trading, it stays inactive or highly selective. That's actually a good behavioral sign, for this type of system. Now the results are out, and we're just going to be heading over to see how this EA behaved, or rather how it performed over the past approximately 4 months. So we can see that from an initial deposit of 3,000 US dollars, the total net profit was just $34.21. That's roughly perhaps 1%, just a little above 1%, right? And then we can see there were 35 total trades, 18 short trades with a 44.44% win rate, 17 long trades with a 58.82% win rate. And we can also see that the largest profit trade was just about $5, and the largest losing trade was just about $3.45, and the average profit trade was just $4.77, and the average losing trade was about $3. So this tells me that the risk to reward ratio is not perfect, but not too bad either. Maybe just a little difference from 1 to 1 risk to reward on average, right? However, remember that these are just historical simulation results, and they should never be interpreted as guaranteed performance. What matters more here is behavior consistency across different conditions. So, from what I can see, it performs best during clear directional moves. It struggles or becomes inactive during choppy consolidation phases, and it prioritizes capital protection over constant trading. And that aligns perfectly with its prop firm design philosophy. But it's also important to understand that real world performance will depend heavily on risk settings selected by the user, lot sizing and account configuration, broker spreads and execution speed, and market conditions at the time of trading, amongst others, right? So this is definitely not something you run blindly. It requires proper testing and optimization before any live or funded accounts usage. All right. So um, as always, results will vary depending on settings and market conditions. So proper forward testing is essential before using this expert advisor or even purchasing it. All right. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.